Hello everyone, this is Shelly and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a reveal of my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton, and it just came today. So without further ado, let me start with showing you what I got. Oops. There it is. Now it's their most recent collection. It's called from Louis Vuitton Crafty. So it's Louis Vuitton Crafty Pochette Metis in color noir. There it is. Isn't she a beauty? So it's all leather in black. And yeah, the usual zipper with the zipper pull like this. So it's like the Empriente, right? The sides are also Empriente, as you can see. Now these here are just plain leather. But these, when I ordered it, because I ordered this online, I thought it's like plain leather printed with the cream, right? But the monogram and the LV sign, they're actually embossed, like, so they're basically Empriente style but enlarged. Yeah, so these are all embossed, or yeah, so these are like stamped Empriente, imprinted yeah, leather. And so this is not white, it's cream with some red accent, which makes it even prettier. There's the bag charm that goes with it. And I mean, Pochette Metis doesn't have a key and padlock, but it does have this one here. Let me show you. You can put so can you see it says Louis Vuitton right there? It is very nice. And the back part says Louis Vuitton Paris. Now, so that's how it looks from the outside. Again, oh, this here, the handle is braided on top with white, not white, sorry, cream and black alternate. And at the back, it's just plain. And yeah, I already showed you the sides, which is the usual Empriente style. And yeah, those are the they kind of look like dirt, right? No, those are the tips of the large flowers. Now the inside looks like this. Plain black here, and that's how it looks like there. And the inside is just all black Velcro, and as you can see, that one is in red, which says, let me read, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Yeah, and the strap's still there. It's a plain black strap. Let me attach it, and I can show you how it looks on me. So I usually wear my Pochette Metis crossbody, so there it is. Oops. Crossbody. Let me close it so it will have a better. Yeah, there. That's how it looks like. Pretty, right? It's so pretty. It also has another shade, which is cream, the bag. But for me, I prefer the black, so that's why I ordered the one in black. So there you go. So pretty, 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 pretty. I will be making another video soon of a comparison of my Pochette Metis monogram, the reverse, and that one. So watch out for that one. And for now, I want to thank you for dropping by. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button at the bottom. And for the new ones, maybe you might want to subscribe in my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button at the bottom so that you will be notified whenever I upload another video. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Shelly, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye bye for now.